So these are all my Sharpies. This is a darker purple. Sorry, it's showing up like brown or black. Green. Olive green. And a lime green. A pink and an orange. These are all my thin ones. Orange. Silver. Red. Blue. Light green. Light purple. Another red. Other one of my black. A light blue. A light pink. That is different than that one. And another black. And then one of the clicky ones. It's kind of old, I already have it. It's this pink one. Those are all my Sharpies. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Alright, bye.